Hello, smooth love potion coin holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video, I'm talking about SLP coin. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the smooth love potion? In this video, I will share the whole update, guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. First of all, guys, if we talk about the right now price of SLP now, so the right now price is about 0.06312 USD dollar. That is the right now price of smooth low portion. And furthermore, guys, if you study the changes update of SLP, so negative 3.37% changes occur in the smooth low portion. The price changes of SLP coin is going very complicated, guys, so that's why a lot of people also decide to sell due to these negative changes, because you can see here the changes of smooth low portion is also going negative. But guys, now the time is over now. As I predicated that they will continue this jump just to the last of September, guys, and now it is the beginning of October, so 321% trading volume increase just in the last 24 hours. On the last day of September, 321% trading volume pump. That's mean that, guys, now a huge pump of SLP coin are coming soon, so please wait. And I recommend for my viewers, my subscribers, those people who's holding smooth low portion, so please hold to the last of October, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your opinion, and how do you feel about SLP? Also share your opinion in the comment box, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.